Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome to Matholics. We'll be starting coordinate geometry PYQ series lecture number 3. Two lectures already gone. This is the third lecture and today we'll be finishing the distance formula and starting the section formula. Applications of section formula and questions. How to find the ratio of a point dividing a given line segment. Okay. So we'll be starting the session in next 1 or 2 minutes. Till then you are requested, please share with all your friends and classmates. Whatever groups you follow, you can share this link in that social media platforms also. See, having these classes on daily basis, the PYQ series is previous year question series. Okay, we'll be revising and solving good questions, really good level questions. Okay, so am I clearly audible and visible? Am I clearly audible and visible? Tell me in the comments, anyone? My voice is clear. Hello, hi. My voice is clear. Hello, hi. Everything sorted? Hello, good evening, bacha, good evening. Okay, so this is the lecture for coordinate geometry PYQ series, lecture number 3 it is. You can watch the previous two lectures also. Without that, it is not possible to get this lecture so easy in your minds. Okay. Okay, so we'll be proceeding last. Can you tell me which question we did? I think this question, x coordinate. Okay, this is twice of this. To the points, name the type of triangle formed. This we done. And next question is prove that these points are collinear. Yes, this was the question. Prove that these points are collinear. See, what we'll be doing? What we'll be doing to solve this question? Copy it. CBSE 2006 compartment. Collinearity is what? What is collinearity? Can you tell me? What is collinearity? Collinearity resembles to what? See, we have to prove that these points are collinear. Let's say these are points A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. Okay, so question collinearity is what? What is collinearity? Can anyone tell me? Collinear means in a straight line. If these 3 points are collinear, these has to be in a straight line. Okay. So if we join a line connecting these 3 points, it will be a straight line. Then these points will be called as collinear. Collinear means linear in a straight line. In a straight line, this is called as collinear. Okay. Now, point number A is 1 comma minus 1. Point B's coordinate is 5 comma 2 and point C's coordinate is 9 comma 5. Right. If we prove sum of these two parts equal to the third part, then the points will be collinear, yes or no? What I am saying is just simply find out the value of AB, BC and AC. So AB will be equals to under root of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus minus 1 means 2 plus 1 whole square. That means under root of 4 square plus 3 square, that means 16 plus 9, that means 25 in the root, and it is 5. So AB equal to 5 units. You have to write units also. Okay. Next, you find out BC. What will be BC? Anyone in the comments? What will be BC? How to find? Sir, again, distance formula. BC will be equals to under root of 9 minus 5 square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So that will be nothing but root of 4 square plus 3 square. That's again going to be equals to 16 plus 9. It will be under root 25 and that is 5 units. Okay. So this is BC. Now what we'll do? Not what to do? Tell me. What can we do? We'll find out AC. We'll find out AC. Okay. Find out AC. AC will be equals to under root of. Tell me. 9 AC 9 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus minus 1 would mean 5 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so it will be nothing but 9 minus 1 is 8 square. 5 plus 1 is 6 square. That means under root of 64 plus 36, that's gonna be equals to 100. That means AC is equals to what? 10 units. Okay. So is this thing proved that 5 plus 5 equal to 10? So it implies we'll say AB plus BC will be equals to 5 plus 5. That means AB plus BC equals to, it is 10, and 10 is what? Nothing but AC. And if AB plus BC, check. If this part plus this part is equals to this part, these points are going to be collinear. Collinear means in a straight line. Collinear means what? Collinear points would mean what? In a straight line. Copy it. Copy the solution. We'll move forward after 1 minute. Copy this. If copied, then tell me. This question is from collinearity part of coordinate geometry. Okay, done. Shall we move forward? Okay. Wait. We'll move forward. See, one link I have shared in this pin message. This link is for CBSE sample paper, complete CBSE sample paper. This is in 4 or 5 parts. This is part 1. You'll find every link in the description of this video. Watch it later, okay? You may copy it or share it with somewhere else. You can share and keep it safe. And you can watch this video. It is amazing series. Huh? Okay. So let's move forward to another question. Another question, show that the points are the vertices of a rectangle. I'm giving you an overview how to prove these are the vertices of a rectangle. See, this is question solved and we'll be having this solution only right now. How to prove that these 4 points are vertices of a rectangle? What is a rectangle? Having opposite sides equal. Having opposite sides equal. Okay, so we just uh, locate the points as A, B, C, D, and A is 0, comma minus 1, B is 6, comma 7, C is minus 2, comma 3, and D is 8, comma 3. Okay. You have to prove that AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. When you prove this, you are proving that this is a parallelogram. Now, when a parallelogram turns into a rectangle, tell me. When a parallelogram turns into a rectangle, when its diagonals are equal. When its diagonals are equal. So now you'll find diagonals AC and BD. And these AC and BD will come out to be equal, and you'll say, yes, these are what? This is a rectangle. And how to find its area? Then find its area. Area is what? Length into breadth, obviously. So 10 into its breadth, it will be answer. So copy this. I'm giving you 1 minute. Copy this, or I suggest you solve this. Instead of 1 minute, take 2 minutes, but solve this. Okay. You first find AB, then find CD. It will be equal. Then you find BC, then you find AD. This will be equal. Okay. Try this. Try to solve. Instead of copying, try to find the value by yourself. Done. Very good. Everyone else done? Okay, now try it later. If you haven't done this, this will come out to be equals. Okay, this is the solution. Let's move on to another question. If PQRS be 4 points on a plane, show that this is a rhombus but not a square. Good question. Good question. How to prove any figure is a rhombus? Tell me. This we'll solve. PQRS are 4 points in a plane. Show that PQRS is a rhombus. So if you draw a diagram like this, what is a rhombus? Rhombus is like a square only but tilted form. But in tilted form. Okay. A, B, C, and it is D. So no, it is PQRS. PQRS. So PQ. What is the rhombus? Anyone in the comments? What is the rhombus? What is a rhombus? Anyone in the comments? Can you tell me what is a rhombus? Do not forget to like. You guys are just sitting idle and watching the lecture, not even liking. If you don't like, at least dislike. Show some reaction. If it is good, it's good. If it's worst, it is worst. Ah. P. What is P? P is 2 comma minus 1. What is Q? Q is 3 comma 4. What is R? It is minus 2 comma 3. Sir, this, sir, that. Sir is not so free to answer you every time. Okay. Okay. Let's move. To be very crisp and clear. So if I have to prove that this figure is a rhombus, I have to prove all the sides equal. Now also I have to prove but not a square. So how to prove it is not a square? Voice नहीं आ रही? Now also I have to prove but not a square. Voice is okay. Do not disturb. Come on. Okay, let's move forward. So PQ will be equals to, you have to find PQ, then QR, then RS, then PS. Okay. So one by one we'll find PQ equals to, directly I am going to write PQ equals to under root of 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus minus 1, that means 4 plus 1 whole square. So it is nothing but under root of 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 square is 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 25. Okay. So it is under root of 26. Okay. Similarly, QR, find out QR. How to find QR? Tell me. QR will be under root of minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 4. So it will be under root of minus 5 whole square. And minus 5 whole square is always 25, positive only. 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square is positive 1. So that's also 26. Oh my God. Okay. Two sides came out to be equal. Two sides came out to be equal. Done. Do not spam. You'll be kicked out of the class. Don't think you are sitting, okay, that's so less students in sir class. Sir will accept your all kind of nonsense activities. I'll kick you out of the class, okay? Next is RS. RS will be under root of, do not spam. Send your message once, not again and again. I haven't invited you to come here, okay? RS will be what? Minus 3 minus minus 2 would mean minus 3 plus 2 whole square and plus minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 whole square. So under root of minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 5. And minus 5 whole square is 25. Negative square is always positive. Negative number square is always positive. So that's under root of 26. Okay. And last but not the least, what is SP? SP equals to under root of SP. 2 minus minus 3 would mean 2 plus 3. And minus 1 minus minus 2 would mean minus 1 plus 2 whole square. Okay. So this will come out to be under root of 2 plus 3 whole square is 25 and minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 1 square is 1. That's root 26. Okay. So I'll write because sides are equal, because I will write PQ equals to QR is equals to RS is equals to SP is equals to under root 26 units. It implies figure PQRS is what? Is a rhombus. But I have to prove it is not a square. So if it would have been a square, its diagonal must be equal. For being it a square, for this figure to be a square, its diagonals must be equal. So we'll check for diagonals. Check diagonals. check diagonals. And diagonals will be unequal. So if diagonals are unequal, not equal, that means PR, obviously it is larger than QS. So if these are unequal, this figure is going to be what? A rhombus and not a square. So we'll write PR equals to first diagonal under root of PR minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 whole square plus it will be 3 minus minus 1 would mean 3 plus 1 whole square. So it come out to be minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square means 16 plus again 16. It is under root 32 unit. Okay. Correct. Next will be QS. QS will be equals to what? Under root of QS. Under root of QS minus 3 minus 3. Can I write directly as minus 6 whole square? Can I write directly? If you are mature enough to understand now. QS minus 3 minus 3 and minus 2 minus 4. Again minus 2 minus 4 will be minus 6 whole square. So it is what? Under root of 36 plus 36. And what is 36 plus 36? Under root of 72. Clearly these both quantities are not equal. We'll say diagonals are not equal. Hence it is a rhombus but not a square. Clear? So we can find the area with the help of distances of QS and RP. Yes. Find the area of the rhombus now. See, first you have to check whether we have found it correctly or not. So what is QS? Minus 3 minus 3, 6, 36 and it is 36, 72. And what is PR? PR is 2 plus 2, 4, 16, 16 and 16, 32. Okay. So we'll write the area now. Area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2. Area of rhombus equals to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Yes or no? Formula for area of rhombus. Anyone? We don't have to find sides, but we have to prove that it is a rhombus. Okay. We have to prove that it is a rhombus. Read the question. Read the question. Prove that it is a rhombus but not a square. So how you are going to prove it? Tell me. How you are going to prove it? Tell me. Area for finding area of a rhombus. Formula for finding area of a rhombus. What is the formula for finding area of a rhombus? Tell me. Half into D1 into D2. Is it correct? Think. Is it correct? Or it is incorrect? Tell me. Is it correct or incorrect? Tell me. Yes, half into D1 into D2 is the easiest formula for finding area of a rhombus. Okay, clear? So half D1 into D2. Okay. So that's half into what is D1? Value of D1. First diagonal 32. You can let anyone, it is 72. Okay. So it will be half into 32. You will write what? 16 twos are. And this is 36 into 2. So if you simplify it easily, it will come out to be half into 16 will come outside. It will be 4 root 2. It will be 6 root 2 because 6 square is 36. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. It will be 6 twos are 12. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. That means 24 square units is my final answer for finding area of this rhombus. Clear? Yes, Akash, correct. Sachin, correct. Okay. Sorted. Did you get this point? Sorted. So copy it ASAP. Only 1 minute. I have already given so much time. Copy it. Okay. First you copy this thing. Okay. Then you find this area. Okay. Okay. First you copy this solution. Then find the area. It will be 24. Very good. Sorted. Clear. Copy it ASAP. Copy. So question was, prove that this is a rhombus but not a square. Find the area of the rhombus. So first we had to prove First we had to prove. After that we had to find the area and all that. Okay. Write unit also. Do not forget to write the unit after the answer. It is 24 square units. Square unit. If done, then tell me, okay? Sir, please show down. Please show down. This is down. That's it. See, what we learned in this question, a good thing that you need not to multiply this under root 32 into 72. Then you are crazy going and finding out the square roots of big numbers. No. Try to simplify the solutions. Try to simplify. 32 if you'll write, make it a perfect square into something. Perfect square is 16 into 2. So 16 came out outside and it became 2, 4. 16 came outside and became 4. Similarly, 72 is 36 twos are. Or you can factorize also and pairwise you can take out. Okay. So this way you have to simplify these steps for getting the correct answers. Okay. Sorted. Okay. So moving forward to another question. Now this question is simple. Points this and this lie on a circle with center O. Center is O, 2 comma minus 3y. Minus 1 comma y and 5 comma 7 are 2 points. Okay, we'll plot these. Find the value of y. Hence find the radius of the circle. Come on. So how to find value of y? How to find value of y? See, if I am correct, can I say this OA is equals to OB? Yes or no? If this is the figure, so can I say OA is equals to OB because it is the radius of circle? If 2 points are on the circle and you are asked to find value of y. So I can write OA is equals to OB. That means under root of what will be OA? OA will be 2 minus minus 1 would mean 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 3y minus y whole square, and that's going to be equals to under root of OB. OB means 2 minus 5 whole square. Or you can do 5 minus 2, whatever you like, you can do. Come on, 2 minus 5 whole square plus minus 3y minus 7 whole square. Okay. So write under root of it will be 3 square, that means 9, plus it will be minus 4y whole square equals to under root of will be minus 3 whole square, that will be 9 plus minus 3y minus 7. I've told you in the earlier lectures also. We'll see what is the answer. Minus 3y minus 7, both are minus, so it will become positive both. 3y plus 7 whole square. Squaring both sides will remove this square root, and we'll have what? We'll be having what in the final solutions? 9 plus minus 4y square positive 16 y square is y square equals to 9 plus 3y plus 7 whole square. You have to open it. 3y plus whole square, you have to open it. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab would mean 9y square plus 49 plus 2ab would mean 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42y. Okay. So 9 and 9 cancel out. We get what? 16y square. Bring everything here. Minus 9y square minus 42y minus 49 equals to 0. 16 minus 9 is 7y square minus 42y minus 49 equal to 0. Divide whole equation by 7. We'll get what? Simply y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. When you solve this equation by splitting the middle term, you'll get y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. You'll be getting y minus 7 into y plus 1 equals to 0. I'm not repeating splitting the middle term. This Sachin Patil, I guess you are just solving the questions by using Google. Do not Google it. Try to solve it. I can understand. Don't try these tantrums in front of me. Y equal to 7 or y equals to minus 1. Minus 1, 7 both are coordinates. We can have both the coordinates. So coordinates of A will be what? Find the radius of the circle. Y we have found out, and find the radius. Radius is nothing but either OA or OB, whatever. So OB is what? I'll find OB. OB is equals to radius actually, and it is nothing but this thing only. Under root of 9 plus minus 4y whole square means 16y square. So you'll put y equals to 7 one time. You'll put y equals to 7. You'll put y equals to minus 1. Let's see. So radius will be equals to under root of 9 plus 16 into 7 whole square. That means under root of 9 plus 16 into 49. It will be under root of 9 plus, if it were 15, 850, 850 minus 16, 834. So it is under root of 834 will be, yes or no? Okay, you are solving. That's so good. In 10 seconds, you gave me the answer. How is it possible? Is there any other way to solve this? Tell me, is there any other way to solve this? I guess no. There is no other way. This is the only way. Okay, right. So 16 into 49 will do like this also to cross check. 69 is 144, 16 4 is 64 and 14. 64 and 14, 850. 64 and 14, 784 it will be. Let's check again what I'm doing. 49 into 16. 6 9s are 54, 6 4 are 24, it is 29. That's 40. Okay, correct. 784 it is. Okay, 50 will be subtracted, no? Yes. So it is 784. 7. 784 and 9, 13, 9. 793. Under root 793. Let's see. Sir, we can also do y square minus 6y minus 7 with the quadratic formula. Yes, obviously yes. Minus 7y and plus y minus 6y minus 7. Okay, this is correct. This is correct if I'm doing right. Okay, let's see. Let's see, by the way, what is the answer. Then we'll have the correction. Okay, now y equals to minus 1 would mean y equals to 7. So what about the radius? It will be 9 plus, no? If we are finding OB is 2 minus 3, 9, 9 plus minus 4y whole square, 9 plus 16y square. Okay. Okay, whatever. We'll find out y again. Radius equals to what? Under root of 9 plus 16 into minus 1 whole square. That means under root of 9 plus 16 into 116, under root of 25. So radius equals to 5 units. One time it's coming 5, next time it is coming this much units. What answer is correct and what is incorrect? This we have to check, obviously. Okay, if we 9 plus 3y whole square we use, OB also equals to radius, na? So we'll use 9 plus 3y whole square, 9 plus 3y plus 7, and y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7. You start copying. Y equals to, I'm solving. Okay, y equals to 7. If I put in here, 3 sevens are 21 plus 7 whole square. So under root of 9 plus 28 square. 28 square is that only 784, which he just got here. 784. Okay. 28 square is 784. Check it. 8 8 is 64, 8 2 is 16, 22, 2 8 is 16 is 5. 784. Okay. That means okay. So it will be under root of 793. So radius has two answers. Radius have two answers, and y also have two answers. Okay, Mr. Whomsoever you are solving this question, let me check in the book also. Let me check. Don't worry. If there will some correction, we'll see it. Don't worry. Okay, so there are two answers. Finally, we are correct. So y is equals to 7. Y equals to 7, then radius is equals to under root of 793 units. Okay, done. And if y equals to minus 1, then radius equals to 5 units. Okay. Okay. So these are the two answers. Okay, dear. So need not to try these tactics over to me. You see, you are just kids. Okay. Whatever is your age, that is my teaching experience. You must be 15 or 16 years. This is my teaching experience. Okay. So do not actually try to tell me that you are not fooling me. Okay, so there will be two cases. An answer will be radius 5 and under root 793, both of these. Okay, sorted. So two answers are there. Value of y is also double. Sorted. Okay, copy this, copy this, copy this, copy this. No, no, no. I'm not telling you. I'm telling that Sachin Patil, who was actually solving this question in 10 seconds. Okay, I just read the question, draw the diagram, and he solved this question. Okay. It is not some rocket science, okay? You have to use your pen. If I am taking 5 minutes, you must take at least 10 to 15 minutes. Come on, solve this. Copy, copy, copy. 5 minutes I'm giving you, copy. First, you have to make diagrams, okay? Always make diagrams, okay? Always make diagrams. Okay, okay, okay. The PRs are here. Okay. Solve it, I'm waiting. Sitting back of the camera and talking anything, it's your right. But it's okay. It's not your problem. It is not your fault actually. back of the camera. So that guy who just commented, he was in. I don't care. These wherever these guys are coming from, I don't care. I give a damn. Sir, I am not. Okay, whatever someone is saying, you just see it and move forward. That's it. Okay, whatever. Try to study now. Study now. So can you please show on the right side? Okay. Finding the radius. Radius, how we found out? Just this OA and OB. I took this directly from here. You can find separately OA, separately OB, then equate them also. This is also correct. Okay. Okay, so let's move forward. I guess everyone must have copied. Next question. So we'll be doing now section formula instead of solving all these questions. If you have to prove isosceles triangle, what is an isosceles triangle? Just two sides equal. Prove that the points this are vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. What is isosceles right angle triangle? A right angle triangle will be there and these two sides will be equal. AB and BC. This perpendicular and base. Perpendicular and base will be equal. How will you prove? P square plus B square equal to H square. In this way you will prove. Okay. Solve this. This is for practice. Prove that the points minus 3 comma 0, 1 comma minus 3, 4 comma 1 are the vertices of an isosceles right angled triangle. Find the area of this triangle. Half into base into height will be area. Solve this by yourself. Okay. I'll be doing section formula now. Not these questions. Not these questions. Show that the points are vertices of an how to prove equilateral triangle? Tell me how to prove equilateral triangle. By having all the sides equal. By having all the sides equal. If this question is there in your exams, show that the points this are vertices of an equilateral triangle. So find all the sides and equate them to equal, right? So this will be the way. And area of equilateral triangle formula, root 3 by 4 side square. Area of equilateral triangle, you must note it. Area of equilateral triangle under root 3 by 4 side square. Under question C, 2, 3, 4 questions I am giving you. At least 4, 5 questions will be there till the end of this lecture. So you practice these questions. This is for your practice only. Area of equilateral triangle will be under root 3 by 4 side square. Side A square is what? You write root 3 by 4 A square. A is what? Side of the equilateral triangle. Okay. If side is something, you might write that value only. Okay. Yes. We have to measure three sides only. Okay. Next question is show that these points are isosceles triangle. Okay. What is isosceles triangle? This side equal to this side. This question is important, but we'll be doing such questions in section formula. That will be more easy. When coordinates of the center, no. Okay. We'll be solving section formula now. What is section formula? We'll be starting up with section formula right now. Any of the two sides, yes, for isosceles, for equilateral, you must prove all the sides equal. Now, focus on section formula. If one point is x1 comma y1, other point is x2 comma y2. Okay, one point is x1 comma y1, other point is x2 comma y2. There is a point C which divides AB in the ratio m is to n. What I am saying, there is a point C which divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Find the coordinates of this point C. There is a line given AB, okay, AB. Somewhere in between of AB, somewhere in middle or between of AB, there is a point C. You have to find the coordinates of this C. If it is given that C is dividing AB in the ratio m is to n, clear? Sorted? Yes or no in the comments? If this point is clear, yes or no in the comments? AC equal to BC? No. Good evening, bache. Good evening. No. AC equal to BC, you don't have to do AC equals to BC. No, never. You will do what? You'll write x is equals to m if the coordinates of A is x1, y1, coordinates of B are x2, y2. You will be given these. So find the coordinates of x and y, value of x and y. So C coordinates are x and y. So x is equals to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, the first formula. This formula you must copy. Okay. This is 3-star formula, and based on this formula only you'll get at least a question of 3 to 4 marks from coordinate geometry. Okay. So copy this, x equals to m. See, you have to multiply like this, m into x2 and n into x1 upon m plus n. Then you will multiply what? If you have to find y, you will multiply m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. Sorted? Copy this. Copy. Till this point, you must copy. Till this. Then we'll do an example. First, copy this. Come on. Yes, you can take M1, M2 also. Not to worry. We are taking M and N. Okay. You guys, it will be better if you stop talking to amongst yourself. What is the problem? I'll mute the comment box. Everyone done? Can we move forward? Okay. So this was section formula. Now, example one. Example one. Let's see how to apply this section formula. How to apply this section formula. Okay. Question is 6 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 2. A point, you can write a point divides the line joining these 2 points 6 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 2. Find the coordinates of that point. Find the coordinates of the point. So we'll again draw a diagram A, B. These are points 6 comma 3. This is minus 4 comma 5. Okay. And there is a point X comma Y. It is dividing this line in the ratio 3 is to 2. In the ratio 3 is to 2. You just have to find the ratio. You just have to find the coordinates of C. So how to find coordinates? C. For finding coordinates of C, we'll write X is equals to. This is 3. 3 will be multiplied by minus 4. 2 will be multiplied by 6. Okay. So multiplied 3 multiplied by minus 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6. Okay. And whole upon this ratio you have to add 3 plus 2. Okay. So this will be minus 12 plus 12 whole upon 5. So it is 0 upon 5. So X is equals to 0. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, sir. Next, if you find y will be equals to what? 3 into multiplied by this 5, y2. This is multiplied by 3. Okay. So 3 into 5, 3 into 5, and plus 2 into 3. 3 multiplied by this y coordinate. 2 multiplied by this y coordinate. Okay. This will be the scene. So 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3 whole upon 3 plus 2. So it is 3 5s are 15 plus 6 whole upon 3 plus 2 5. So it is 21 by 5. So coordinates x comma y came out to be what? X is what? 0. 0 comma 21 by 5 is the final answer for the coordinates of this point C. Done? So this is the way you are going to solve. Okay, done. Copy it, and that's it for today. We'll be having good questions tomorrow also, and we'll be completing this chapter by tomorrow. Okay. Next chapter we'll have a community post that which chapter we actually want to start, and we'll start that lecture also. Okay. Trigonometry we already have done. Trigonometric identities, trigonometry, some applications of trigonometry we already have done. But in Hindi language we'll be doing trigonometry, some applications of trigonometry, heights and distances from Monday 5 p.m. Tomorrow evening 5 p.m. you can join for convex mirror cases, sorry. Ray diagrams and image formation by convex mirror tomorrow 5 p.m. And tomorrow 7 or 7:15 p.m. in the evening only, you will be having the same lecture continued. Okay, so that's it, bacho. This is JP sir signing off. We'll see you tomorrow evening. Till then, goodbye, take care, good night. Copy this. The coordinates are 0 and 20, 0 comma 21 by 5. Okay, everyone sorted. This is correct answer. I haven't checked. Check it. 3 into minus 12, 2 into 6, 12, 12 minus 4. Okay, 0, 0. It will be 0, and it will be 3 into 15, 15 and 6, 21 by 5. Okay, sorted. Correct answer. Okay. The coordinates for the point dividing a line segment, you must know how to find out. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Take care. Good night.